Hello everyone, in this video we will look at this Kinkoni TS RS485 temperature and humidity sensor. How to make a show. You can see just use this one and you can cover this board and protect your board, because some customers will ask whether have a plastic shoe, but I think it will be easy to use by these parts. So this turbo that you use this hot gun and to cover this PCB board is easily, so that you can insert into this turbo and so that you can put it in your switch panel box. You can see you can easily to put in this switch box. So you can see this is the size of the TS. This is size TS, and I use this turbo. The size is this one, this size. So you can see you can change any color, just this red and green. So you can see I can just cut it. You can see I can connect with my cable firstly. Okay, this is the cable, and this cable, the power and ground and RS485 communication cable, you can connect by yourself. Just extend from this small module, and make sure this SHT30, this is temperature and humidity sensor, let it touch your air easily. And you can see I can use this one and cut it, and then I can insert the module to the tube, and you can see, okay, just like this one, you can see like this one. Okay, then I can use this hot gun, and you can see I can power on and change the temperature. Okay, then I can change the fan speed. Okay, stop it. You can see now it have covered all the PCB. And if you want press this button, you can also press it. Here I have a reset button at here, so you can use this one and press this button. It's okay, no problem. And if you want the temp, because this is a temperature sensor, so you can let it you can see I can let it explode to the air, just like this one. Okay, then I can cut it. So you can see the temperature SHT30 explode, that will detect the air. Now you can see this help protect the PCB board, and you can insert to your switch panel the wall box, or you can insert to this box. It's very easily, and also you can insert to this sensor to any other device because this cable you can extend for 1000 meter, no problem, for long distance, and detect the temperature and humidity. Okay, this is how to use this turbo and protect the smart PCB board, and by this easy way. Thanks for watching.